holidays, I'm going to go through today just my quick everyday look. We're gonna time myself. Gosh, it's hard for me to talk to you guys and get through it in 10 minutes, but I'm hoping that my holiday cheer, I'll be okay with that. So I'm starting out with the Contourist. And I like to go in and contour my features with powder, a darker powder underneath my lighter liquid foundation, because I am a pale person. I don't go tanning, I don't feel like I need it. I like my skin, so I just like to, you know, paint it on, girl. So I use a combination of every color in here. This is the dark to tan palette, Contourist. While we're here, why don't we talk about a few things that's going on at the shop. We have holiday boudoir sessions going on, which are amazing. You can get 2 looks, a little black book, your hair, your makeup, and costuming in 2 sets for $3.75. Your little black book comes with 7 images in it. If you want more than 7, though, you can buy them for $10 a piece, you know, because we usually take a lot. So I'm bringing my contour down my neck. I did the sides of my nose. I kind of make a V at the top. And I get way up here and I'm like, hey girl, fade it into there. I also like to make a little swoop on my cheekbone. And then right here and right here, I really like to get, because it just smooths everything out. And while I'm doing this, I'm just swirling my color everywhere because I want to feel a natural feel when I'm done. I know, I look crazy right now, girl, but here comes my liquid foundation. Today, I am just using some Camouflage by Hard Candy. I use 2 squirts. Concentrate on my eyes first to prime them up. Get that hair out of the way. Today we are not super busy at the shop because it's kind of rainy. We had a little bit of a storm here in Astoria. But okay, so now I just swirl it all around and I go right over that powder, guys, right over it. I try to do my outsides first. And I like using my fingers. You could use a foundation brush for this and it would be just fine. I'm feeling it today with my fingers though. Kind of trying to go a little bit faster. I have an appointment after this. We also have a Vivid hair sale going on. For hair like mine, if you'd like to be a unicorn princess. So you guys will have to check that out. Oh, and then we have these cute, adorable little presents in the shop that Azzy has made all over. They are $20 and they already come in a little gift bag for you. How cute. There's the unicorn headband I love. There is a little pony unicorn pouch in here. There are bows. So cute, bows. 3 of them, by the way, 3. A little unicorn pony ring. I don't know, I hope you guys can see that. And also a, you know, a unicorn necklace. So that is perfect. Already comes with tissue paper if you're going to a little party, if you need something. Here we are. That's great for really anybody. I know that I love it, so. There's also this one that's kind of mermaid inspired. Mermaid necklace. Smile, sparkle, shine, girl. Keychains. These are all $20. There's different ones all over the shop. And then also we have these little ornaments that have been made. They're so adorable. Each of them is $20 and they have 3 pairs of earrings. They have tweezers, holiday tweezers, a really nice Sephora lip gloss in this one. There are bobby pins and little rubber bands, bigger rubber bands, 3 pairs of earrings. This one has little bows, cute little bows in there, 2 pairs of earrings, tweezers. There's a really nice Clinique holiday lip gloss in there, the Burberry one. Oh, and then we also have wet set brushes with a little ornament on them that come with 3 pairs of earrings, little rubber bands, bobby pins, big rubber bands, and the wet set brush. And this is all for $20 too. These can go just by themselves as great little holiday gifts or stocking stuffers for parties, white elephant, Christmas Eve. Or they also, these ornaments come free with any purchase of a $100 gift card at the shop for guys and dolls. So you can have something to give to that person that you're buying your gift card for on the day. So I love these. I'm super excited about them. They're so cute. They hang beautifully. Oh yeah, come in and see them all. There's so many. Okay, back to our contouring. Now that my foundation is set in while I was chit-chatting. Okay, Burlington. I've never been to a Burlington coat factory. I don't know. I'd like to take my excess and just go right over my places where I like it the most. Blend it out a little bit more. Bum, ba-dum, bum. Holiday, Christmas time, girl music. Oh, see, look at that. I totally forgot my ears, so I better go in and just powder that baby a little bit. Cute. So this year for the holidays, guess what we are doing? My mama is coming to Astoria, and so we are going to have a fun holiday party in the shop. So that is going to be super great. I can't wait. Okay, so now I'm going to go through and highlight my face a little. And I am using the Smashbox. Whoa. Studio Finish. I'm using the middle bronzer color. I mean, I have just used this thing. I got this last year. You guys, I'm embarrassed to show you, but I got this last year during the holiday season from Sephora, and I have literally used it. So I'm getting another one ASAP. Obviously the yellow base highlighter was my favorite. It is gone, so. But okay, I'm taking this bronzy color, and I'm just highlighting my nose, the cheekbones, my upper lip. Oh yeah. And then above my brows. Sometimes I like to do a little swammo right here. Like a little shh. Looks real cute. Always right here, always right here, and always right here, and always right here though. And here, and here. You know what? Always everywhere, always everywhere. Okay, I'm also gonna use this same Studio Finish palette from Smashbox. I'm gonna use the corally pink blush. Do little apples on my cheeks, rotating up. Oh yeah, we're already looking good. Oh. This music kinda gets it going. I love the shop right now. It is too adorable. So I'm gonna go in with, I'm not gonna do a very dramatic eye today since I'm working a lot today. I'm going to do Easy on the Eyes palette by Sephora. Easy on the eyes. Easy on the eyes. Hard on the heart. Ooh, I like that song. Looks so good by the way things look, ain't the way they are. I don't really know who that's by, but it just reminded me of it. Maybe it is Martina McBride. You guys will have to let me know in the comments, hopefully. It'll be like my first comment ever on YouTube. So, easy on the eyes, hard on the heart. Okay, I'm going to go with a yellow matte color first. Swoom. This guy right here. And I cover my entire lid from the corner to the top of my brow bone, all the way under. Perfect. Let's go do the other one. Just as fast as we can. So, yeah, my mom's coming and we're having a big feast here at the shop. So you guys are all invited. It's gonna be very fun. We're gonna do some white elephant game. We'll play some other games like Boulder Dash and stuff. Hey! I like to wear brown when I'm not doing too much, so we're gonna go in with the number 19 here. Number 19 here. And you guys just watch how this pops my eye. I'm just gonna swoop it, and I'm not being too careful. From my crease, down, and out like a triangle. What I avoid doing is going inside my inner corner. I never go inside my inner corner. Do not do that. And don't make it flat on your crease too. If you gotta bring it up above your crease a little bit, just to even it out, let her rip, girl, let her do it. Just do it. Getting it all in there, I'm smudging it around. This color's pretty dark, so I'm not being too careful with it, because guess what? I know that I'm gonna have some cleanup to do. Other side. So my brother Tyler will be here for Christmas. My mom, John. Okay, we're back. Swooped that brown. Doing some quick mascara. My grandma calls it massacre, so I'm gonna massacre my eyes. What I do is I like to just take my point of my tip and flow it all around. I mean, I'm moving this rimel up and down, all around. Now I'm really getting in there, coloring everything. Have you guys noticed that everybody does their own mascara best themselves? I have. Being a makeup artist, man, sometimes you get a gal with a real watery eye and little lashes, and she loves all the shadows, and man, sometimes I just gotta be like, sorry girl, you're gonna have to go do your mascara on your ownsies. They always do though, they don't mind. And on the bottom, being too careful, I'm kind of going for a cute, I don't care, everyday holiday look here. Okay, now that that is done, let's add some brow. I'm gonna be using the Defined Brows. The Defined Brows eyebrow kit. Medium toned. I just like to use a harsh tip brush, which this is a paintbrush. I have them left over from Halloween and I'm using it. So I just, and I go in and I just, which doesn't really mean anything to anybody else, but to me it means I grab some powder and I just start coloring in. And I don't want anything too different. I'm not a big brow girl. I know some of you are, and that's great. All right, perfect. That's all I want to do. Cute. So, what kind of lippy are we gonna do today? We have all of these NYXs to choose from. All of them. Let's try, okay, I'm wearing kind of like a little pinky color, so should we try pink? Dare we? Oh no, look at this one, this apricot-y one. Dallas. Dallas looks real good with what I'm wearing. And I kind of like Dallas and Berlin together. Let's bring Dallas and Berlin to Astoria for this holiday look. Okay, first we're gonna start with Berlin, the NYX. I'm gonna line my lip. So I went to the Urban Cafe yesterday with Azzy, my salon manager and friend. I'm sorry, she's also my good friend. And there's a little gal there that I do her hair. She's so cute. Her name's Victoria. She's the one over there with the cool eyebrows and the pink hair. You know, the one that looks like I do her hair. Because she's so cute. Hey guys. We got cut off there. So I am going to do this one more time for you with the Dallas and the Berlin. So Berlin, I go in and I'm going to line my bow. Just like a so. I like to bring it in on the corners. So that's Berlin. Then I take in with the Dallas. And all over in the center. And I just go right over the Berlin. Wherever I want to, because guess what? What's the rule? The number one rule of an ombre lip? Always go back through with your dark color that you lined with. So here we go. Adding that depth and that dimension really works perfect. So cute. I love it. We have Berlin and Dallas for my lip. We have used Easy on the eyes. So adorable. Thank you, Sephora. Thank you, NYX Cosmetics. And thank you, all you viewers. Please like and subscribe. I'm getting better, I promise. I'm exporting quicker and my videos are coming up bigger on cell phones now, so that is awesome. Thank you guys for all your concern and following me. I so much appreciate it, and I hope you guys have a good holiday. I'll see you soon. We'll be doing lots of other live things coming from the shop. Don't forget about the presents we have at the shop, the adorable ornaments with the tweezers and all of the Clinique, all the Sephora lip glosses, and the wet set brushes we have on the trees. We also have all of Azzy's adorable presents. Be a mermaid, be a unicorn, what do you want to be for the holiday? So cute. One stop gift shop. Let's do this. We have sales on natural beaded extensions. We have sales on vivid colors. We have sales on boudoir going. So stop in, say hi. Check out our Facebook, like and subscribe onto our YouTube. Follow us. Happy holidays.